The way Wales is run has been changing for centuries. From the just and good laws of Hywel Dda in 942, the Acts of Union under Henry VIII in the 16th century, the creation of Great Britain in 1707, the addition of Ireland in 1801, and its partition in 1921. A referendum for more powers for Wales was rejected in 1979, then won in 1997. This led to the creation of the National Assembly in Cardiff Bay, which later became the Senedd, or Welsh Parliament, and the establishment of a Welsh government with a First Minister and Cabinet accountable to the people of Wales through the Senedd. Responsibility for devolved matters, including health, education, the environment, transport and some taxes, was transferred from the UK government in London to the Welsh government in Cardiff, and the Senedd was given the power to make laws for Wales on devolved matters, so that decisions are made here in Wales for the people of Wales. Responsibility for services such as defence, the police, justice, pensions and benefits, and other taxes remain with the UK government and Parliament. This means decisions made on those issues in Westminster will affect people living in Wales too. The Independent Commission on the Constitutional Future of Wales is exploring how these things are currently working, and if there are ways it could work better to improve the lives of the people in Wales, making sure Wales is on the front foot for the future. Follow us for more information on the work of the Commission and how you can get involved.